Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. Today I'm showing you how to change the handle on a Mansfield toilet. We've got just a universal toilet handle here, a new one. This is reverse threaded here. And you may need a pair of channel locks, you may not. But you just go in the opposite way that you would think it would go. Pretty simple. But that's the key there, is it's, to turn it out, it's going to go, clockwise to remove it, counterclockwise to tighten it on. And same thing with the old one. It's reverse threaded. That's the only thing with the new one. So what we're going to do is pass this through the handle before we tighten the nut down. Just got to position it and wrap it on through. There we go. And we got to find a way to pass the nut through, so you may have to do that first. Pass the nut through. Pass that deal through. Alright. Okay, we'll position this, and you may have to bend this handle a little bit, which is fine, to make it seat properly. We'll tighten that down. And we'll check and make sure it does what we want it to do. And if not, we may have to bend this a little bit to free it up. That's okay. There we go. Now that it's bent how we want it, just gotta support it a little on one side, bend on the other side to get it just right. One final, making sure everything's nice and snug. And now we got our new handle for our Mansfield toilet. A little bit nicer handle, I think. Set our lid, let it all fill, and make sure everything does exactly what it should. That's the new handle. A little nicer, I think, than the Mansfield toilet. We'll just take a peek and make sure everything's filling exactly how it should. And there we go. So now it's going to get a nice strong flush. Our fill height is a little bit high, so I might actually adjust this so that it would shut off a little sooner. It's a slightly different story, but there we go. That just adjusts the float for this so that it shuts off a little bit sooner. Because this is getting right towards the top there. But anyway, now we're going to make sure that our toilet does exactly what we want it to do, and make sure that our valve seats back exactly how we want it to. It's a good seal. And it does. All nice and seated there. And now we can make sure that our water shuts off at a more decent height. That looks great. Alright. That's replacing the Mansfield toilet. Nice and easy. Nice and